Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Now in this channel I am telling you about the how to get VA loan for multifamily purpose. 8 step to getting a VA loan for a multifamily home. Let's start this video. Before start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Press the bell icon also. So first of all, what is multifamily home and why should I buy one? In most cases, a multifamily home is a single building but that houses two, three, or four separate dwelling units. For different families, a property with two, three, or four units may also be called a duplex, third, triplex, or fourplex. The VA requires the live in one of the unit by renting out other rental income and gives you opportunity to build a home quickly and become a real estate investor and the working house directly. The extra income may offer some of all of mortgage payments and allow you to take it. The three reasons why family VA with a VA loan. These reasons are: first, no down payment is required, uh, and the other one is no mortgage insurance is required. Number third is two or more eligible veterans can be buy 7 unit properties. Can you buy a multi-family home with a VA loan? Buy a multi-family home with a VA loan. You can meet a basic military services requirement for a mortgage. You qualify based on your credit scores. You have enough extra cash to expand family's homes. You plan to move into the 16 days of closing and start. And the last one is that so steps to buying a multifamily home with a VLO. These are the basic steps. Number one is ensure that you meet the minimum services requirement, that are eligibility criteria is here. Number two is check the multifamily loan limit in your area, that is up to 100,000 pounds. And the third one is know the VA minimum mortgage requirements is that down payment credit score, debit income, DTI, employment history, cash reserves, funding fees, and the last one is rental management experience. Fourth one is the review VA home appears, and the sixth one is find a real estate agent, and the seventh one is close to the loan, and the eighth one is find tenants and decide who will manage your family. And these are the pros and cons of the multifamily home with a VA loan, and that's are here. You don't need to down payment, you would not pay a mortgage. You can buy a 7 units, you can use a rental income. You need to pass landlord, you will need to have extra cash, you must live within the units, and you know meet your the stainless VLO. These are the specific kinds of VLO and its significance and other tasking which are telling in this video. So these are the steps to get a VA family loan. For the video, you have to submit that full of these. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Hope you also like this video. Okay, take care.